The street was empty, the air was cool and crisp, the sun was just starting to rise. I walked with purpose. Each step felt heavy, yet I felt lighter than I had in years. My backpack held all I had left, but it also held something new: hope. Starting over at 40 wasn't in my plans. Life had a way of changing your plans, but I refused to be pulled under. I knew I had the strength to rebuild. Every sunrise was a chance to start again. This time I would do it my way. This time, I would create a life I was proud of. I just needed a chance. The room was small, but it was mine. 4 walls and a roof. It was a place to land, a place to catch my breath. My first priority was finding work. Any work. I pounded the pavement, dropping off resumes. I took any job I could get. Delivery driver, warehouse worker. Each paycheck was a victory. I learned to stretch every dollar. I kept track of every cent. Ramen noodles and peanut butter became my staples. I rode my bike everywhere, rain or shine. It saved money and kept me moving. Slowly, I started to find my footing. My old life was about status and appearances. This time it was about practicality and progress. I saved every penny I could. My goal, a used car. Transportation meant more job opportunities. It meant freedom. The day I bought that car, I felt a surge of pride. I had worked hard for this. It was more than just a car. It was a symbol of my resilience, my determination, my ability to create a better life. Community and connections. The library became my sanctuary. I attended free workshops, I learned new skills, I met people. I started selling some of my crafts online. The internet became my marketplace. It connected me with customers all over the world. I started going to community events, I volunteered, I found strength in connecting with others. In helping others, I helped myself. I learned that we are all in this together. We all need support, we all need connection. A bench with a view. The park bench was my favorite spot. I came here to think, to reflect. The setting sun painted the sky in hues of orange and purple. It was a reminder of how far I had come. My life wasn't perfect, but it was mine. I had built it with my own 2 hands. It was a testament to the power of resilience, the importance of hope, the beauty of second chances, and the knowledge that even in the darkest of times, the sun will rise again.